No, technically, they would have been going the opposite direction. It's there? A helicopter? Hey, wait! He forgot me! No! Come back! I can't. Oh, we're here. It's a $10 fee, road maintenance fee to drive up to the remarkable ski field. Approved! Let's go! Quite windy up here, so hopefully the audio is good. We are on our way up to Lake Alta. Lake Alta is just 35 minutes out of Queenstown. It's situated high up on top of this giant beast known as the Remarkables, and Lake Alta is a glacial lake. It's a bit of a drive to get up there. You know it's really bad when you look at Google Maps and it looks like an intestinal track, a lot of zigzagging and all that. And actually, Lake Alta is a ski field. People go ice diving there in the winter, but the real reason why we're going there is because it's absolutely beautiful from the pictures, and more importantly, it is also a Lord of the Rings location. You might recognize this place from the first movie, The Fellowship of the Ring. Right after Gandalf sacrifices himself and falls down the pit.
Fly, you fools!
Spoiler alert, he's not really dead. The Fellowship runs out of the mines of Moria. So once they exit the mines of Moria, they head over to Dimrill Dale. So Dimrill Dale is Lake Alta, and that's where we're going to be going today. So come along and join us. Look at that view! We're not even at the top yet.
We're gonna pull right up next to the public toilet.
Oh my God,
imagine there was a lock on it.
Having to pee and going up a gravel road that's jumping around.
I'd laugh so hard if it was locked. And there he is. After what kind of felt like
that was a long pee. I feel like I could have filled Lake Alta with my pee-pee. That's how much pee-pee there was. A lot of tea and a lot of water this morning. It's about 30 minutes to get to Lake Alta. Out here, your worst enemy would be the sun, so definitely put on that SPF. There's no cover on this hike. In terms of elevation, we are at the alpine level. We're at the very top, right behind the ridge of the Remarkables, so it's considerably cooler up here compared to Queenstown.
Love, don't be mad. I forgot to bring our bahon. Those sandwiches that I worked so hard to make today, and I left them at home. Typical Sherling move, eh?
I can't feel that bad because you're the one that put in all the work. It just means that we can't eat.
So instead of bringing 2 granola bars, instead I'm bringing 6.
The last couple of kilometers driving up will be gravelly and dusty.
Oh my God, I saw that.
Poor Punny, look at her. She's dirty. One jacket for you.
Thanks.
One for me. Conveniently fits in a bag. Thank you, MacPack. I think with all the promotion I've been doing for MacPack, I should get a little.
These pants, they're MacPack.
Hit me up, MacPack, if you're interested in a sponsorship deal. I don't have the followers, but maybe just out of the kindness of your heart, I can get some free shit. We need to go. So as you can see, all of this is a ski field resort. All the lifts, I see about 3 or 4 lifts, are closed for the summer season. I think we're getting close. It seems like there's like a little ridge over there. I believe beyond it, we will find Lake Alta. After the long winter months, there's still a little bit of snow. Want to have a snowball fight? We're just switchbacking our way up this steep little section here, but it's been 30 minutes, so I think we're getting close to the lake. Kudos to the fellowship for doing all this, because, man, feeling that alpine coolness now, so I'm gonna bust out the MacPack jacket. Just like that, we've got a down-filled jacket. We're ready to get closer to Lake Alta, aka Dimdale.
Dimdale Dell?
Dimhill Dale. Dumhill Dale. Let me look at my notes. Worst Lord of the Rings fan ever. Dimrail Dale. Yes, I'll take a granola bar.
Stay away from that area. And
Cool.
yeah. You'll see it coming in, you'll hear it.
Yeah, we'll hear it.
Yeah.
We've been seeing it. Thank you. It's overcast today, so it's not as nice. Still beautiful, but better on a sunny day. And when it's covered with snow, I imagine it's even more fantastic.
Yeah.
Dimrail, I'll get it right. Dimrail Dale.
Dimrail Dell.
Dimrail Dale. Dimrail Dale. Yeah, you're right, Ling.
Am I ever wrong?
Yeah, most of the time. So this is Lake Alta. Yeah, scoured
Hey
by.
fans, go through all of his vlogs and count how many times I'm right.
So Lake
Prove
Alta,
him wrong once again.
scoured by glacier, fed by ice, and filled with rainwater.
I'm right. Oh my god, it's glacial. It is so cold.
That's so cold. Whew. There are people that swim here. You're allowed to swim. People ice dive here in the winter. It's really windy. The wind just picked up, so that helicopter can't go yet. It looks like he dropped it in the water. Was it too heavy to lift the cargo?
Yeah, it's just on the it's just beyond what it should be carrying.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can't actually physically. Like he took in a fire extinguisher. That's the kind of weight we're talking about.
He got out to take
Wow.
a piss and it was fine. He was alright. The wind out, the wind's coming through and then pushing down.
Yeah.
The extra pressure of the wind.
Oh, so it's actually pushing the helicopter down.
Yeah.
And
That's
the
crazy.
load.
And the load.
Once
We
you
got
get to
there.
that lippy's fine, but
Yeah.
the updraft, but
Yeah.
Wow.
So that right there was Lake Alta. Beautiful location. And we got a free show with the helicopter. It's a tough area to fly a helicopter. It was at over its max capacity as to what it could carry. Gonna start hiking back to the car. Downhill should be easier. I think we could get back there in maybe 20 minutes or so. But thanks again for watching, guys, on another episode of New Zealand filming locations of Dimril Dell. Did I get that right? Dimril Dell?
I think so.
Dimril Dale. I think I said Dell. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.